Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain what happens when you type your favorite command example ls on the console. Imagine you are a computer science student at an engineering college using a lab computer running Linux. You are currently working on a project that requires you to organize and understand the contents of various directories filled with your project files. Here are the steps that occur when you type your favorite command into the console. Step 1. User input and interpretation. You open your terminal application like GNOME Terminal and type ls to list the files in your current directory, such as your project folder. Step 2. Shell processing. The shell recognizes ls as the command to list directory contents. The shell looks for ls in the system directory specified in the path environment variable. This is similar to searching through a set of folders in a file cabinet, where each folder is labeled with a different system utility. If ls has been previously set up with an alias in the shell configuration, like you might nickname a friend for ease, the shell expands it to its actual command form. Step 3. Creating a process. Similar to how a manager delegated a task to an employee in an office, the shell delegated listing the directory contents to a new process. The new process is not just a clone of the shell, but is specifically tasked with executing the ls command. Step 4. Execution of the ls command. The command reads through a list of files and folders like checking files in a file drawer. Just as you might arrange your notes in order of subjects or priorities, ls organizes the output neatly, typically alphabetically or as specified by options. Step 5. Output and termination. The terminal displays the contents just as a report would show the results of your query. After listing the files, the ls command finishes and exits, like completing a job and reporting back. The shell, ready for more commands, is like an assistant waiting for the next instruction. Step 6. Additional details. System calls are like specific requests or forms you fill out to access certain services or information in a bureaucracy. Environment variables are settings or preferences you might configure in a software tool or a service. Step 7. Special considerations. Permission checks ls must check if you can view the files, much like a security check at an airport or a corporate office. Symbolic links are shortcuts or links to other files and directories. How ls handles these depends on whether you want to see the shortcut or know where it leads, like deciding whether to take a shortcut or the full path while traveling. This simple explanation describes how a basic command unfolds into a series of operations beneath the surface. Thank you everyone for watching the video. If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more content like this, check out my book, Cracking the DevOps Interview. You can find the link in the description below.